Good morning. It's Monday. We had a really good start to the week as I slept through my first two classes. So, oops.
Alright, I've got one class that I can go to, and I've got a test in it, so it's a psych test. I took one a couple weeks ago, and it was good, but this one I think is going to be a little bit tougher. Apparently not.
It's Tuesday. I have a speech today, so I'm finishing that up this morning, and then I'm gonna go give that 10:30. I think it's gonna go pretty well. It's good so far.
I got a ton of mail. Oh, none of these are fun. Except for this. Yeah. My new Bible. Sweet. Okay. Now I'm going to Columbia. Pizza Tree is the best pizza I've ever had. All right, I was about to come on this and say I had two problems, but I only have one. The first one was that my airbag light was on, but it's off now. And the second one is that it's 9:30 and I forgot my glasses back home. And so I'm either going to drive with my prescription sunglasses or no glasses. And neither is a good choice. So pray for me on my ride home because I'm going to need it. I made it back to Moberly. I ended up wearing my glasses the whole time, my sunglasses. So it was a little weird, but it wasn't too bad. But now I'm getting gas. Then I got to get home and do some studying. Also, I was lied to because I thought fall was happening and it's supposed to be 90 tomorrow. So that's kind of ruining my time.
So all this will be like a small.
Yeah.
I moved out the way.
Oh.
Oh, that was.
We smashed some stuff in the parking lot. Whew, it's Wednesday. I was kind of rushed out of my room this morning. I woke up a little bit late. It's been a pretty, it's been a day, but it's okay. It's been fine. So now I'm just chilling, playing some video games, and I got some homework to do tonight, so not too exciting of a day. All right, it's Thursday, and I'm heading out. Going to Columbia. I don't really know what I'm doing this week, but first thing on the agenda is to meet Brooklyn, and then I've got to go meet with the guy about my lease for next semester. So that's the plan right now. All right, I'm here. It's like properly cold out. Like it's like 50. It's like 56 or 57. It's cold. I'm wearing shorts, and I was really wishing I was wearing jeans right now, but Brooklyn apparently is walking to my car right now, but I have no idea where she's at, so we'll find her. Oh, all right, I just signed the lease on my new place. I'm super pumped. Landlord seems like a really nice guy, and I'll be living in Columbia, so I'm really happy about it. It's fall! Okay, well, I'll just fill you in on a couple of things. So last night, I signed the lease for my new place, and then I had dinner with my new life group that I'm joining through Chi Alpha, and then we went back to one of the dorms and just like played board games and stuff in the basement, and then hung out with Brooklyn after that, and then Brooklyn and I just went and got breakfast at McDonald's, and now I am heading back to Columbia. My dad was supposed to be coming tomorrow, and we were gonna go fishing all day, but it's supposed to be like pouring all day, so that got canceled. So I have no idea what I'm gonna do this weekend, and I'm kind of in this weird position because if I want to come back to Columbia, I gotta drive another 40 minutes, and it's just kind of a waste of gas. So it's hard to plan these things logistically because of all the driving. So we'll try to figure something out. Also, the 21 Pilots album came out, and I'm just like listening to that on repeat, so at least I'll have that this weekend. On my way to go play some Ultimate. I'm excited for that. Good morning. It's Saturday, and it's still dark out. I'm about to head out for to go fishing with my dad. It's about an hour drive there, and then we're gonna meet at a marina, and we've got a rented boat, so that's the plan. That's the lake I'm going on, but I've still got about a 20-minute drive to where we're meeting.
Bring on the rain.
We're back on shore, getting dry, and somehow my dad finagled a way to get a big, nice pontoon boat as a replacement. So once the rain dies down, we're gonna go back out on that, hopefully. That's the plan anyway. We're going from this to this. Come on.
We both got one. Yes. I think mine might be a little bigger than yours.
Alrighty, I had a wonderful day. So to recap, I guess we got that cheap John boat, and it was like $70 to rent for the whole day, and it was just pouring on us. And it, like, whenever we turned it off once and we went to go turn it back on, the cord that you're supposed to pull to start the boat like wasn't going back in, and we were like kind of sketched out. And we just went back to the marina for a little bit to like dry off and stuff because all of our clothes were just like soaked through. And my dad talked to the lady, and only $30 extra we got this super nice pontoon boat. So in essence, we got this really nice pontoon boat for most of the day for $100 total. And that was just, it was so nice driving that thing around. We each caught one bluegill, but it was a really good time. The weather cleared up. It was awesome. All right, it's Sunday. I'm heading to Columbia. Brooklyn has a orchestra concert tonight, and her parents are coming to town, so I'm gonna be hanging out with them all day, and then the concert tonight. That's the plan. I ended up parking next to Brooklyn.
That's the one that's left.
It's wet out. It's not helping. I'm just gonna be wet all night. Oh, okay. Normally I'd be like super stoked to like run through the rain because it's kind of fun, but like you can't just go home and change your stuff when you get soaked. So I'm driving 40 minutes. My jeans are soaked. My shoes are soaked. My socks are soaked. It's gonna be kind of miserable, but I had a wonderful week. Oh, I'm home. My 40-minute drive took about an hour. There was one point where I was going 40 in a 70. I think about the fastest I went was like 65, so it's been a day. The rain is helping out, I guess, but it's all good. Gotta keep a positive attitude. That's the end of the vlog. I'll see you guys next week.